How to create Amazon accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can create yourself a Amazon account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of the web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in Amazon Sign Up. Here you will see Create Account by Amazon.com. Tap open that link. And first of all, enter your first and last name. Once you have done that, enter your email address. Create a strong 6 characters password for yourself. Retype your password, then tap on to create your Amazon account. As you do so, it will send an OTP to the email address that you just entered. Enter your OTP at this box and tap on create your Amazon account. Just like so, this is how you can create yourself an Amazon account. If you tap onto your profile on your top right, you will be able to see your name. That is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. And if you would like to see more helpful contents like this, stay updated. We will catch you up soon.